and welcome back to Pendragon's Twisted Metals. I lost this footage, so now I need to re-record it. So, just so everyone knows, we actually just hit our 100 subscribers, so I sincerely thank you all for your support. I honestly never thought we would end up getting to that point, but here we are. I'm gonna need to make a 100 subscriber video. I don't know what I'm doing, but hopefully it's gonna be good. In any case, we are continuing to make the end caps for the Viking knit chain bracelet, so hopefully you all stick around, and I hope you all enjoy. So that took a while, and quite a few saw blades, but we got these two cut out and they're looking pretty good. So now all we need to do is cut in between them so that they're separate, and then make them into the tubes that'll go around these. So that means we're going to be spinning them and twisting them this way and this way. So unfortunately we ran out of time for this week, but join me next week so that we can get this all soldered on and get these put into tubes that will cover this, and try to make caps for these. So it's gonna be spun this way. These are very small end caps, so it's a little difficult, but I think we can get it done. So I hope that you all enjoyed this episode. If you did, hit that like button, and if you really liked it, hit the subscribe button and the bell so that you get notified whenever I put out a video. I try to do 3 videos a week, 2 of my lives, which is the knitting with metal, and of course the Sunday episode, which is the Pendragon's Twisted Metals. And of course, share this with anyone you think would find this interesting or have interests in getting into jewelry. It would really help out the channel and help us get bigger so that I can do some larger, more intricate types of projects. But unfortunately it is becoming very late, so I hope that you all enjoyed and have a wonderful evening.